One TV special report.
If we will be able to assure the customer that once the unit he bought from us will be needing service and requirements of spare parts, we will be able also to provide that. You know, MCOR is not just concerned about selling the product, but basically taking care of the product of the customer even after sales, because we want to sell peace of mind to our customers that once they buy the product from us, they will not be a problem in terms of the continuous enjoyment of the product that they bought from us. Actually, ma'am, we're able to transfer here. Napasalamat po ako sa mga YAP dito for graciously providing us substantial space so that we'll be able to accommodate more customers. We used to have there in our Best Buy, what place was that? Circumferential Road. Isa lang doon yung whole goods sa spare parts. But unfortunately, because of the directions and the development of the city, we were part of those naigok mi sa YDD. I would like to assure really the LGU that MCOR is no qualms. Kahit na po nag-iba kalahati sa building namin, Vice, na-compensate man kami, pero never the mind. No? We are still ongoing, the construction is still ongoing to erect a new Osamis Best Buy that we're going to have there. That's why we relocated the service to provide much wider, bigger space for our customers. But again, as this early Vice and the Mayor kindly extend, na iimbitahan po namin kayo ulit sa opening namin doon sa kabila. No? So, sana naman you will be able to spare again some of your time then. Out of our 35 service hubs in throughout Visayas and Mindanao, we are really adding another 3 this year. And we will be transferring 5 other locations to a bigger location so that we'll be able to accommodate more. I would like really to tell that MCOR is a law-abiding company. As a matter of fact, Vice, pakisabi po kami sa bayaran ng tax, kami po ay nagbabayad ng gusto, walang kakulangan, sometimes may labis pa. No? MCOR is regarded as the #1 taxpayer, large taxpayer in Mindanao. And we're being rewarded with a lot of, especially in the division of appliance selling. And we are no intention of stopping that one or not keeping that kind of stature that we have achieved. We are always BIR compliant and we are always paying our taxes to the government. And as a matter of fact, we have just already accredited ours. We have our own financing partner also, financing company, which is CTFSI. And CTFSI this year is also taken by the large division of BIR as part of the large taxpayer. So again, this would just shows that MCOR is not just more on getting, but we are also more of giving to the community, especially to our customers, beneficial to our customers that patronizes to us. We would like also to tell everyone, especially our customers, that we have partnered with different financing companies. One of that is Home Credit. No? Cheers naman dyan, mga Home Credit. In the process of giving service to our customers, yung mga unit po nila, meron pong time na kailangan ng repair unscheduled. Saka kulang po tayo sa cash, readily cash to pay. That's why we partner with Home Credit, because Home Credit is willing to finance the necessary labor and spare parts worth 10,000 for a maximum of 1 year. No? So again, that's one thing that we will be able to help our customers. Kaya kung kunin niya, magbili siya sa MCOR, hindi lang siya assured sa quality ng serbisyo, assured pa siya na merong mag-finance doon sa pangangailangan niya. I would like really to take this, that because we are really aiming zero backlog, zero backjob. So again, Mr. Erwin Silais, our head for the service, is here. Sigurado panindigan po niya yan sa ano. Again, lastly, we would like to challenge our team here who will manage the service hub to always propagate the culture and values of our company. Let our customers feel that our service hub is not just composed of cement and steel, but this is composed of warm-bodied people who has the ready smile and the ready to serve our customers. No? We are not just after profit, but definitely profit will come after we give a good quality service to our customers. Once again, thank you so much for your presence today. I could not say more, but be thankful also to God, especially with Father Tistoni. Father, tayo lang atang edad, Father, thank you po sa pag-bless niyo sa service hub po namin. Once again, may the rest of the day be pleasant and gay for everyone. Good morning.
Thank you, sir. We are very grateful for your words and support. May I call to the most dynamic ever supported department manager who will introduce the service staff of Osamis, Sir Erwin Silahes.
Okay, good morning everyone. So it is my honor to introduce to you the warm-bodied men and women of Osamis Service Hub. So first on the list, the beautiful cashier of Osamis Service Hub, si Melchar Laigan. Sinikay niyo siya. And the partsman of Osamis Service Hub, si Glenn Mark Miasco. And our in charge for the repair of Bajaj RE and two-wheelers, our expert mechanic, the three expert mechanic. The number one is si Mark Vincent Barredo. And second, si Gerald Cortina. Si Gerald, train yun sa India. Si Gerald. And si Rodman Fernandez, train in Davao City. Naka-change siya kay pagkamayahang bujinggit daw. No? So, and our white lines, the team white lines, or ito yung nag-install ng aircon, lalo na ngayon, no? Kasi mainit ang panahon. Nag-cleaning or nag-repair ng washing machine, tsaka refrigerator. Apat sila, no? Including their helper. Si Edsel Gamolo. Gamay pero gusto ko install ng aircon. And doon ni kagagmay si Rini Tahonan. Third, si Vincent Sumatra. And Vincent, then si technician Silver, si Vincent Abne, our brown lines technician. Ito yung in charge na gagawa ng TV, kung mayroon kayo audio-video na repair. So, si Vincent, bago yan. And our helper, from Manpower Agency, si Nimisio Dayo. And our customer service officer, the veterans, si Elmer De La Cruz. Yan, asan yan? si Erickson, nalimutan, sorry. White lines, no? Gikan gyapon ni sa India nag-train. Sa Manila lang din na nag-train si Erickson kay white lines ni si Erickson o Jason. And ang pinakapagitan sa Usami Service Hub, no, ang supervisor si Randy Gaano. Mo rin mga kulit kaya sa LGU, no? Gihapon ko tanan mga LGU officer. And the service area manager who wanders from Cagayan to Zamboanga area, si Miss Karen Katagasan. Okay, so ito yung mga staff ng Usami Service Hub. So, mga magagaling at saka mababait na mga technicians and mechanic. Okay, dahil lang ha. No pang Facebook posting. Okay, thank you. So, good luck and congratulations sa Usami Service Hub team.
To formally close our program, may I request our beautiful Vice President, Store Operation Mindanao 3, Ms. Gina Orias, for her closing remarks.
Okay, maayong buntag sa tanan. So first and foremost, no, I would like to say thank you. Daghan kay ta government nga officials na adin. Daghan kay salamat ninyo. So ladies and gentlemen, as we draw this remarkable event to a close, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to everyone present here today. Your support and enthusiasm has been the cornerstone of our journey. To our esteemed President and COO, Sir Nelson Aparejo, the dedicated officers and staff of our MCOR company, your vision and leadership, sir, continue to inspire us. To the Honorable Vice Mayor, Ma'am Baby, and other distinguished government officials, so daghan kayong salamat. And our valued customers, VIP, the TUDA, your presence here today signifies the strong community and partnership we cherish. Our new service hub stands as a testament to our commitment to excellence and promise to deliver outstanding service. It is more than a facility. It is a beacon of innovation and collaboration that will propel us towards a brighter future. Thank you all for being a part of this significant milestone. Together, we will continue to reach new heights and achieve a greater success. I would like also to acknowledge Ma'am Yap sa ato ang owner diri sa building. Thank you.
Atong mahinabi si Sir Nelson Aparejo, ang President CEO sa MCOR National. Okay, sa di pagtanan ato sa siyang kuhaan sa iyang unang pagpanimbaya. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, thank you One TV, channel for this opportunity nga inyong gihatag sa MCOR, especially at this occasions of opening our new service hub here in Purok Malipayon, Maningkol, Osamis City. Salamat po sa inyong pag-anidiri sa mua magtimbaya sa among opening.
Actually, sir, ang MCOR daan na namo gyud ni nga advertiser pro dunay hunong-hunong lang dayon. Salamat nga napud mo karon.
Salamat kaayo ng mga kaigayunan nga inyong gipatronize sa among MCOR, ang among serbisyo ug mga produkto. Mayon ta og mapadayon kana siya. In terms of advertising, we already, just like this, we went also to social media. And I think One TV also able to improve from the mass media down to the social media already. And looking at MCOR, This service hub is our 35th, no, ika-35 ka service hubs namo. We're operating Visayas, Mindanao, and Palawan. But the 35 service hub is basically supporting our whole goods stores of 165. Also operating Visayas, Mindanao, and Palawan. Looking at this, we wanted really, ang amo lang kung rason nga nung nag-open with diri because ang among original nga property own property dito sa among old location na igo sa widening. So we need really to expand. And looking at our customers in Osamis nga nagkadaghan na pod, we need a bigger space. That's why we're able to locate this place. Are continuously improving in terms of training to enhance their knowledge and capabilities to repair. Ang among direction really is zero backlog, zero back job. It is always the directions of our company, MCOR, na tanan namong customer among i-assure nga kung mopalit sila unit sa MCOR, dili lang ang MCOR concern at the time of sale. But MCOR is here, makarely sila nga even after sales, kung kinahanglan sila mga serbisyo sa ilang unit gipalit sa MCOR, MCOR is here na moalalay sa ilaha. And we are also partnering with different financing institutions kay usahay ang atong three-wheelers ug motorcycles na po na mga repair nga dili na schedule. So ang pagbayad nakipag-partner with financing company, especially ang home credit, para pwede po i-finance home credit ang katong ilang bayronon. So definitely we do this because what we have in mind is how we'll be able to give much better service to our customers here in Osamis.
Sir, daghan na kayo mga nag-deal o mga appliances, mga motor o mga unit. Di sa pag-maintain ang serbisyo sa import na para ba o bisag sa competition nagpabilan gihapon na strong ang import.
Salamat sa imong observation na ang among ginabuhat yun sa MCOR is that we really take care of our customers and putting service hub because unlike our competitors, they are just reliant on accredited service centers. But MCOR make it sure that when we open, before we sell a product, we are going to make sure that we have the technical know-how, at the same time, the support quality ng mga spare parts to make sure na kung magkaguba man na panginahanglan o pag-ayo sa unit, among ma-address na siya so that ang among ginaingon, ang customer dili mag-worry kung ang ilang unit paliton sa mua. That is why probably one of the reasons why our customers stick with the MCOR. As a matter of fact, yung mga customer na mga repeat buyer, from 1, 2nd, 3rd, even 4th generation already is here. As a matter of fact, MCOR has been in the industry for the past 66 years already. And we intend not to stop giving service to the customers, particularly here in Osamis.
Sir, ang LG Osamis nagpasalamat no sa ingon ani nga mga kumpanya nga mo put up og mga branches or unsa ba ka because dugang employment.
When our directions for the expansions, one, MCOR really looks at locally hiring our requirements. Meaning to say, kung asa may nga lugar nag-open, dito po may mang-hire og tao. Just like what you said, we are partnering, an active partner of every LGU in areas that we are in terms of employment opportunities. And aside of that, I would like also to assure the LGU of Osamis that MCOR is a large taxpayer, being recognized as the #1 large taxpayer in Mindanao, particularly in the division of appliance selling. We would like also to tell that MCOR is really, we believe na yung sinasabi na give to Caesar what is for Caesar and give to God what is for God. Because we are paying updatedly, we're being BIR compliant, even LGU compliant in terms of giving the dues for the government. And to date, we have around 2,200 employees all throughout our operations. And we have a sizable number of employees here in Misamis Oriental, Occidental, that we locally hire. Mo lang siguro po na ang among maambit sa local governments, especially on the efforts of the local government on the economic aspect of the local, no, o sa lugar. You know, MCOR is an ISO accredited company. One of the directions or the commitment that we are giving of being an ISO accredited is to provide quality products and services to our customers. Among makasalig sa inyo na ang among mga produkto o serbisyo is a world class, no? Kung problema man sa unit, that's why we put up after service hub para i-address ang mga after-sales requirements sa customer. Kung maguba sila, kung mapalit sa unit sa mga, kabalo sila kung asa mo adto kay naaman mi service hub, no? Mula namin kapasalig og isa pa pod ang MCOR nagpatronize really of giving customer service. We are believer at the same time naga-practice of customer service. For MCOR, customer is number one. So we hope that with this new service hub that we have in Misamis, lalo pa namong dayag ang among paghigugma sa among mga customer. Kung naaman sila yung mga problema, dali po nila matawagan ang MCOR o kaila po sila kung kinsa ilang tawagan sa MCOR.
Okay, tanan na ni sir, no? Motor, katong RE Badja.
3 year. Kani siya nga service would cater all the products that we sell, no? Ma-appliance man, wala lang may furniture kaya man may panday, no? Pero 3-wheelers o kanang 2-wheelers, kanang mga cooling products dinhi sa amo nang i-cater, no? Pati ng electric bike nga mo, e-bike nga mong ginanong. Napod ba mo yung mga e-bike? Kung wala pa mo yung mga e-bike, palit na mo sa mua.
Okay, lastly, your parting words, sir?
Thank you so much, Osamis. I would like really to thank firstly the LGU of Osamis for providing MCOR and the rest of the business institutions here in Osamis a very conducive business climate for us to thrive in this area of our operations. At the same time, ako magpasalamat sa atong mga customer for continuously patronizing MCOR, not just the product but including the services. One thing that we could assure you that while MCOR is here, we are trying to give the best comfort of our customers in their homes and in their units that they bought from us. Thank you ug daghang salamat.